You must be wondering what's the reason for this big smile on my face. So I'm actually heading home from a long day of work today, but I'm just super excited, so much so that I had to pull off the road to have a talk with you guys. So first of all, somebody very, very special is coming today, and that person is bringing some very, very precious cargo. I wonder if I should tell you who is coming, or I should allow you to guess. Should I tell you or should I not? Should I tell you who is coming and what they're bringing, or should I not? Do you want to know? Well, the person name starts with T and end with A. Who am I talking? Yes!
What's going on, Virgonation? It's your girl T with T Cooks with Flav. I'm here. I'm excited because I just came home from work and there was something very special waiting for the Virgos in my home. It was delivered today. I won't tell you what it is. I will let them tell you what it is. But I know that they're super excited. I'm excited for them. And to all my excited, I'm not even a give to nobody. This is how precious it is. I'm not even giving it to anybody. May I carry it, go get them in a them hand. You understand? That's how serious it is. So stay tuned. Stay tuned to this vlog, and I will catch you guys when I decide I want them to leave today or to leave tomorrow. Because I'm excited, you know. But anyways, be excited on the Virgo channel with this. So stay tuned. We'll keep you posted on what this is.
Auntie Tanisha is coming today. T Cooks with Flav is coming today, and she's bringing our silver award from YouTube. Yeah. Round of applause, please. So guys, I think we should do an unboxing to include Virgonation on that exact moment when we touch it and all of that. So I'm gonna hurry up and go home. Let me not delay it any further. See you guys soon, okay? Trouble carrying a neutral.
Virgonation, team there, safe and sound. Coming to you from our police.
Alright, so I'm going to get the...
Show them pretty. We bake J.A.
T, what are you doing? Where I do?
Oh,
Where you really I do?
So, I have something to carry with Liz. I'm going to travel with it from all the way to Florida. Actually, for the Virgos. I remember saying Liz say safe. So I'm going to put on the mask on the box. I don't want to carry no corona with you.
I like this to the box.
Yeah. See that? I want it mask. Alright, I'm going to front seat or so. Catch it. Yeah, man.
Auntie T got here last night and she's leaving already. Like, what's up with that? And I'm not off today. I have to be at work, so it's not like I'll be there with her today until she leaves. I'm hoping that I will get to leave work in time to, like, you know, go back home and see her off before, but I don't know. I feel like the sun is in the shot. Yeah. Can you see me better now? Yeah, but just like the last time, it's sad, but I won't cry. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not cry. Half of a visit is better than none at all. Yeah. She's supposed to be packing up some food stuff as well that I'm sending up for my family. Can't even be there to help pack up the frozen stuff. That's just how it goes, you know. Busy life, just have to make it happen. I'm pretty much almost at work as well. So I hope I have a good day. No delays or anything like that.
Today is a beautiful day. I'm out here in the streets heading to rehearsal. Now today is the final rehearsal before we head out to Atlanta. It's a big show for me because it's my very first show since March 2020. And I mean show outside of Jamaica, because we've done some virtual shows over that time period. So today now, you know, excitement, you know, the last rehearsal before we actually leave out. Remember, if you're in Atlanta, I'm coming there this Saturday, and I'm gonna be at Bliss Lounge. Oh my gosh, man, trust me, no, man, the excitement just did. Like, it's been a while, 2 years I haven't seen a crowd in front of me. You know, so I'm over the moon, to be honest with you. Even I'm over the moon right now because we just wake up. I know, so they just wake up, it's hard for, you know, show the true emotions. But I'm happy, I'm so happy. I'm really and truly looking forward to it, man. Everybody in Atlanta, you know what I mean? Well, I mean, everybody in Atlanta can hold another club, but I mean, if you are in Atlanta and you can make it to this show, I want to see you. This show is called Ladies Night. So ladies, come out in your numbers. Can't wait to see you, can't wait to sing my heart and my soul out.
A few moments later.
So you know, so I'm reach now. I'm late for rehearsal now. I'm late, like, but for obvious reasons. Yeah, so them can't beat me too bad. Nico, I'm gonna vex. Worse, I'm gonna walk in with phone in my hand. Problem this. Let me just go on because I get a beat when I go in the rehearsal. Worse, I walk in the camera and I'm like. So at this point now, me and Nico outside on my phone, so I have to pretend like me a rush. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Okay. Me coming. It's a late, bro. There it is. Yeah, no. I'll let it drop. Sykes. Yeah. it. That is it. Rehearsal done. And I go man now. Yeah. Home sweet home. Hungry to see? Oh gosh man. Early man rehearsal take out everything in your belly. Can you ever come out with like a tea night, it's gone. If you boy want one egg, it's gone. I tell you. Alright. Out there. Later guys.
Yeah bro.
Alrighty.
Guys, I'm in a rush to go home, but me just quickly update you guys. I just left work and Romaine and T and the girls are at home packing up stuff for T to leave. So me just hurry up, you know, because more reach home in time for come back with them to the airport to drop off T. So hurrying.
What up?
What up, man?
I leave out now.
Yes. The omelet.
Oh gosh.
I care about the whole of Jamaica got first. Breadfruit, aki.
Breadfruit. Man. I'll bun and sitting on the vegan tea for that.
Bun and cheese, bun. Thanksgiving no good again.
I tell you, read, I don't know everything.
Let's give me them a fair man, but I know them are rich.
Liz!
Cut out the party.
Tanisha want tea for man, things them.
Cut out the part there.
Tell you.
No man, show up me man, I got my own this morning.
Nice.
I got Olga, I get mine.
Liz has sent over some things for her mother as well. Yeah, it's a beautiful time. It's Christmas time. It's the time to share, you know, send gifts and a whole heap of things. Well, Thanksgiving, no? Yeah. We don't really celebrate something that Jamaica. We just wait till Christmas Day. Christmas Day is our Thanksgiving Day. Yeah. Liz is on our way home. So they are going kill time till to reach. Tanisha, you could ask me for help, you know, but I think I got to snatch over and hide it.
I'm afraid. I make believe like a chef.
Could ask me for look help. Don't forget this and it look bad. See me stand up and watch her.
You don't care about them, so it's a teamwork, you know. Remember you have to go all about.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're right.
Can't put too much pressure on my head now.
Thank you. We also have some lovely Christmas cakes from We Bake JA. Yeah. Look good. Look very good. Yeah. Yeah, and the cupcakes. Michelle Long, two of them.
You know that, watch this sweet, Joe. Hold on, watch this. Because they were so good. And I want my sister to try them also because they taste to me the same. So I'm taking some back for my sister.
Beautiful.
And I have to take two for myself.
Oh, you mean? But, I tell about them cupcake here. Tease them. Is that we in a cupcake family? Or your sister bake cakes
Florida,
and
so I
cupcakes
have
as well?
links for Florida and Jamaica.
Yeah. So listen, when you have Florida, if you want Florida link on cakes and cupcakes and all these things, we got it. When you're in Jamaica, we got it. Alright? So
I'm on the way, I'm on the journey to being a fatty.
Yeah, so because we are running to the airport with Tino, we're gonna unbox. Oh gosh. I can't explain the Java bubble inside right now, you know. So as soon as we get back from the airport, we're gonna unbox. Oh, I feel good. I feel good. We're still waiting on this. Still waiting.
Guys, we drove out from home, but then we went to the pharmacy for me to get some peppermint to send with her. And I did try to talk her into staying, you know. I asked her if she don't have no sick days. And you know, so she shamed me. She shamed me. Oh, don't believe her? Don't believe her? You shame me.
The little clip from the video last time, Liz, I got you with the checks here.
No, but me need to show Virgonation my check making process too, you know.
Yeah, but then I look like I'm gonna send Bryce come and Bree when them on project.
You don't see it?
Well, no.
You know, said they come to me for the Tanisha and I said,
yeah.
I'm busy over
No, man,
here.
it was really good. I
never have much confidence in him, so I said, why am I going to go over this now? Make him think so.
Hey, all of it was done freehand. No. For the lines,
no, man, it look good.
It was with a ruler. But it was only a ruler and a marker. That's it.
Hey, and when Mr. The head, when I saw the thumbnail for the video, I say, yeah, may I go visit them, may I get the money?
You know what you said, man, we're gonna send something in your account in the morning. How much you want?
Not your piece I check.
Just take care of me, man. Just take care of me, man.
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm gonna send something in your account.
Yeah, man.
Like a sunroof, man. I go like something Lily.
Sure, buddy.
Well, we can't find it.
Oh, it'll work. You remember one time we couldn't do that?
Stop it. Where you get that from? Oh, turn off.
We're gonna joke. She show up now, Virgonation, one time. When you press the thing for the roof, go back like that. You don't hear something like
Welcome to Norman Manley International Airport, where you will find Tanisha with a bag of food.
oh God, sometimes I try to talk to Liz Tanisha, and then the voice come in. I'm just, all right, you wait. And we roll out to tell the voice, don't talk.
24/7.
And literally 15 seconds after something else, we said, gee, and then loud, you know.
In English.
Said, oh my
Spanish.
gosh, don't try to talk on the phone anymore.
No, me used to it, man. You can tell them. I know when to stop talk. I know.
We can't speak fluent Spanish, you know, just because at the airport, every time we talk to these mere people that talk Spanish. Tanisha, we're almost there, you know how you feel.
Ay, back depressed. Every time I have to leave, something I forgot go on. I don't know if I go move or I forgot move back.
Oh boy.
Just make the kids them reach 18 first.
Can I tell you how the people believe that we are moved for real?
Oh, with the, you know, somebody said it to me the other day.
No, everywhere we go, people say, yo, we're so young, we not move.
I didn't want to see the caption said moving so far.
Yeah.
Oh, we ask a question.
Some police are watching go stop for me and
Stop me?
yeah. And looking at no space, I don't unless you park on the next side.
Oh, somebody will move right now. I see somebody will move. You can park there. What do you pass space there?
Ball T, ball. Me not cry.
T, cry now, cry.
Not cry.
Like-
Stress out.
Like Auntie Carleen, Liz. Hey, Liz.
Not
Liz
cry.
get really emotional about the Auntie Carleen and leaving him and say, oh my God, but you want it.
No, but for real, it's been
No.
it's always real. But no, have no fear. T Cooks will be back
Yeah.
very soon.
We are hurrying, you know, to be late for your flight.
I have about an hour.
4:40 something.
Alrighty, T. Take care. Love y'all.
Love you more.
See you soon. Bye, Liz.
Lisa, come with me now.
Yeah, I didn't realize. Later.
Let's go meet Liz.
Liz, let me
Let's
know.
go and take care. Let's go and take care of the girl.
Oh, I'm gonna have to drive off left Liz because them nearly clamped the car. Yeah, you know they can't stop too long. I have to keep it moving. So let's make a circle. And I go see if Liz come back out of the airport. Maybe she come out and I wonder me there. You never know.
A few moments later.
Oh, she's so sad. Oh.
So guys, we're on our way home, and when we get home, we're gonna open up that silver award. Yeah, almost like gold.
You go open the silver award out of the box.
Well, yeah, we now open the award. Now open up the box to show you guys our award. Yeah, all of us award, but we're just keeping it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we're excited that we can't wait, so we're gone now. Soon.
Yeah.
Soon.